Hi friends, welcome to SS Stock Alerts channel. In this video, we will talk about the SS Stock Alerts score. What is SS Stock Alerts score? How score is calculated? Where to see the stocks by the score? So let us just go there. So first, score is a ranking system in the SS Stock Alerts. So if you see high score for any stock, that is a higher momentum, and if you see lower score, and that stock is a low momentum. So and the score usually it will be like positive values and negative values. It can be minus values or positive. So if the score value is greater than 20, it indicates stock is in good momentum and look for some buy opportunities for swing trading. And if you see score is less than 0 and less than 20, that is a lack of momentum, but it's still good. But if you see the stock score is less than minus 20, look for sell opportunities. So there is some problem. There is no momentum in those stocks. Buying those stocks for swing trading is not a good. Look for some sell opportunities. How score is calculated in SS Stock Alerts? So basically, we are taking 3 time frames to calculate the score: daily, weekly, and monthly. So if stock performs on daily, we'll be giving 2 points, and if it performs weekly, we'll be giving 3 points. If it performs good for monthly, we'll be giving 5 points. So that's how the score is getting calculated, and there are multiple factors here, and you can see all these points here, and you can just go to our SS Stock Alerts and tutorial, and you can see the same thing. Let me just highlight 1 or 2 points here. Suppose strength candle. So a strength candle is nothing but a candle which has a body more than 75% of a candle. So that is nothing but a strength candle. So if it makes in daily, there is a 5 points for that one, and weekly 3 points, and monthly 2 points. If a stock is forming a red strength candle, again we'll be minusing another 5 points. So for red candles will be having minus values, and green candles will be having positive values. Same thing like EMA and CCI indicator will be using along with this calculation. But in the future, we'll be adding the promoter holding percentage and pledge percentage and results also, so that we'll have some fundamental impact also in the score. Next, where to get the stock score? Like in all over the SS Stock Alerts, you can see the score. But if you want to see all the stocks based on the score, you can just click on the positional feature, and you'll get the all the trending stocks in the NSE. So you can see the score. So by default, this data gets updated at 4 p.m. So you can see like the until the 4 p.m. the data will be stays same. And like there is some good observation from a client, like one of our group member in the Telegram. So he was observing this score system like very keenly, and he notified us like what is the impact of the score. This is just an example, but you can make your own. So there is a Grasim trading at 1622, and the score was 1 8, and the previous score was 8, like 1. And when it is changed to the 41 and look at the price, so the price went to 1661. So this is and one of his client, and Friday the stock went to the 1800. So this is from one of the client, and so you can make your own. And this is an email alert. So if you have any favorite scans, automatically you will get these emails. And let me go to the website to show the real usage. So if you come here and just go to the positional, and you can see the score here. And this score it indicates like so up arrow indicates there is a score is improved from like last trading day, and the down arrow, there might be some down arrows. So what it indicates is, the score is reduced. If you see here, the score is reduced Like the previous day score was higher and today the score is lesser. So this down arrow indicates there is some score reduced and there is a momentum reduced here. And there is a this arrow, horizontal arrow, it means the score is same and still it means there is no increase or decrease in the score. So you can see all the positive scores here. And if you want to see like there is a selling momentum stocks and you just click on seller, so that you will get the stocks. You see these are the minus value. So this minus values indicates there is a lack of momentum, and if the score is less than minus 20, don't go for a buy opportunities and look for the sell opportunity wherever it is possible. And even if you see like these are the EMAs indicator, and see the price is 120 and trading less than 135 like EMA 50. So that means the stock is trading below the 50 days moving average, and it is trading below the 20 days moving average, and it is trading below the EMA 5 also. So and like when stock price is above the EMA, that is a bullish. When stock price is below the EMA, that is a bearish. So even you can just check in the charts, right? So here when you hover here, you can see what is the previous score. So it went from -9 to, right? So you can just see how what is happening. So even I did not open the chart from the like see like it is almost trading near its last support. So and that's how we can see the momentum. So and even you can go to scans, and in the scans also, like suppose I am performing a resistance breakout scan, for example, right? So let me just check the scans. So here also you will see the scans with the score. And if you want to sort out the stocks based on the score, just click on filter, and there is a sort by, just click on score. So automatically it applies. Now you will get the latest high score stocks in the top. And there is a Visaka industry, which I think which is almost giving a breakout. So you can just check for the chart and do your own analysis after that. So this core impacts, see this is almost trying to give a breakout. It will be have like try to look for 695. Above 695 you can go for a buy opportunity. So you can see such stocks using the score system. I hope now the score is clear for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.